guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Samantha Nicole. This week's video is a organize and declutter my pantry. As you can see, as it says on the title, we are going to be going through and taking everything out, redoing labels, redoing all the shelves in a better order so that the kids aren't able to get to the junk food that I don't want them to get to. And I did buy some more canisters that I need to label. In our previous home, we had a lot smaller pantry, so it was everything. All the labels that are on there now are from before. So now I'm going to go ahead and, now that we have a bigger, sorry, ignore him in the background, it's just little man. Now that we have a bigger pantry, I'm going to get more canisters to put all the food in, and I have to go ahead and make more labels. So the first thing I needed to do here was go ahead and wash all the canisters, the used ones and new ones, to make sure I got any of the old stuff out and that they're all clean for the new stuff to go in. I printed out some new labels here with my Dino label printer. I will go ahead and link in the description for the exact one I have. It was a gift. That's when you know you have a major problem with organization and OCD, is when someone gives you a label maker for a gift and you're so excited like a kid on Christmas. So I went ahead and took off some of the old labels and then retaped them on and made some new ones, and then with some clear gift tape I just made sure and went over all of the labels with those so that they did not come off. As you can see here, as soon as I get done putting the labels on, I go ahead and fill the canisters back up with whatever is on the label, and then I set them aside and start with the next one. Once I'm finished filling up the canisters, I go ahead and fill up my bins and baskets with all the extra stuff that we have, like chips, crackers, soups, and mac and cheeses. Once I'm finished putting everything into the correct bin and container, then it's time to figure out how I want to arrange our pantry and put everything back in. I need to go ahead and point out right here a real mom life moment as my 2.5-year-old tries to help me organize the pantry. Every time I put a can somewhere I want it, he goes ahead and moves it somewhere else. So I put it back and he puts it back where he wants it. And this continues over and over again until I finally get him to come out of the pantry and I take the stool away from him. And then he decides to shut me in the pantry and turn off the light a couple times before I am finally able to finish and I get the pantry to where I like it. Alright guys, we are done for now. I need to get a couple more things, but this is how it turned out so far. Let me step back, kind of show you a view from the top to the bottom. So here on the right we have all our mail, our bag, plastic bag keeper, some masks, all our extra keys, our fly swatter, sorry. And then on the other side here we have our wine rack. Obviously we need to buy more wine. We have our daily meal calendar, or yeah, monthly, whatever you want to call it. And starting at the top here we have our extra plastic silverware, all our drink mix-ins, our extra sodas and juices that we have no room in the fridge for right now. On the second shelf we have our cereal bins. We have 3 of those because we go through a lot of cereal. I just need to go shopping, so there's not much in them. And then we have, excuse me, sorry, we have our Pop-Tarts, our popcorn, the popcorn in bags, the snack bars, all the cookies, and then our kettle corn. So I put all these up top so little man can't get any of them because he loves junk food. And then on our third shelf down in here, this is like gummy snacks, fruits, fruit cups, Jello. Then we have our hot cocoa mix, all of our hot cereal packets, all of our condiments like syrup, vegetable oil, our Nutella, our peanut butter. And then we have our rice bin, our noodles for like bow tie noodles, ziti noodles, our canister for our taller noodles like spaghetti and lasagna. And then we just have our bagged food, or our bagged rice, our boxed mac and cheese, and just the sides. And then got the little labels here on the actual shelf. And then on the fourth shelf down we have our chips. Right now I have our hamburger buns in there because I need to get a bread box that I want to put in here. And then we have, this says ramen. I need some more label paper to put noodles on this one. But we have our ramen noodles, cup of noodles, our mac and cheese cups. And then this one, I need another label. I'll put crackers. This is basically all our Ritz crackers, our lunch crackers, our goldfish. And then the kids can just pull these bins out and grab what they want. And then on the bottom here, I just have like our Costco stuff. We usually have a huge bulk of them. But like our spaghetti sauces, steak sauces, ranch dressing. We have all our soups, beans and raviolis, corn, our peas, green beans, and then obviously just like the bigger boxes, and then potatoes. Now I put my potatoes in a basket as soon as I buy them because then I can take out, if there's any bad ones, I can take them out and toss them. And then you're able to kind of see and look at them each day and see if there's any that need to be thrown away. And then I do want to get one of those canned food racks where you can like put them on their side like this and they'll stack them and they'll roll down when you start to run out of them. So I need one of those. And then here on the bottom we usually have all of our paper towels from Costco. These are our popcorn night bins for the kids. We'll put popcorn in them when we watch movies and mixed candy in them and soda, so we have those. My stool to get to everything, and just the dog gate that we keep in here. So that's it for today. I do need a couple more things, but it looks a lot better than it did. Everything is clean and in order, and hopefully it stays that way. Alright guys, that is it. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and push that subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And for next week's video, I'm not sure what I am going to do. Let me turn the camera around here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for the video yet.
I might do our daily routine with our animals. I need to organize and declutter all of our cabinets. We just moved in this house almost a year ago, so there's really no excuse, but I want to go ahead and redo those. We also have some at-home slime making videos with the kids. So let me know in the comment section what you're interested in seeing next. All right, guys, and thank you for your support and have a great day. Thanks.